There's a place where time slows just enough for you to hear yourself think, where the sun stretches its arms over fields of green, and morning coffee tastes a little richer because you're sipping it on the back porch, watching the day unfold, not racing to meet it. Tucked onto nearly 2 acres of rich Texas soil, this 1920s home isn't just a place to live, it's a way of living. A return to the rhythm of nature, of intention, of enough. Here, you pluck fruit from the trees you've watched bloom each spring. You gather eggs from the chicken coop before breakfast. You remember what it's like to be rooted, to live by the light, not the clock. You'll notice it in the details, the way the sunlight spills across the floors, the texture of the trim, the quiet charm of doors that still click like they did 100 years ago. These aren't just features, they're threads in a tapestry that's been woven over generations. There's a kind of graceful rhythm to how the rooms unfold. From the welcoming entryway with its chandelier casting light across the walls, to the dining room wrapped in bold heritage-inspired color. It's a space that invites you to gather, to sit down, slow down, share stories over food, and let the world wait. The kitchen is a nod to both past and present, with its spacious counters and sunlight pouring in. It's been updated for the way we live today, but it never lost its soul. The living room is the kind of space where a quiet afternoon unfolds without agenda, where the sun lingers just a little longer through the windows, and most of all, it feels like home the moment you sit down. The home itself wears its history with quiet pride, nearly a century of stories held between its walls. The current owners have poured love and labor into it, the hard, unseen kind. Updated systems, infrastructure, the backbone of the home. The kind of work that doesn't show up in photos, but makes all the difference. Now the stage is set, and the story is yours to write, because there's one more chapter to write. Upstairs, the space is raw. It has more edge than polish. It's worn in places, waiting, but it's also brimming with possibility. It's an open page waiting for your mark. But what a gift to start your story with the fundamentals already in place and the freedom to finish it your way. You don't have to build a dream from scratch here. The bones are strong, the heart is steady. Now you get to come in and breathe life into what's next. 1.8 acres, a private little ecosystem, and yet still close enough to the city that when you want a night out or need to grab something quick, you can, but only if you choose to. Because here, you don't need much more than what you already have. Room to breathe, space to dream. And homes like this don't come along often. Not with this much heart, not with this much history. If it's calling to you, don't wait. Come see it for yourself. Feel the peace, walk the land, and if it feels like home, you can make it yours before someone else does.